commission our solar energy system here at Rose Garden Apartments. And if you would, go ahead and cut the ribbon. Look at that!
Rose Garden Apartments in Westminster, California went solar to help reduce some of the common area costs for the apartment building. This 150-unit apartment complex is home to mostly older and financially challenged people who will benefit from the savings that a solar energy system will bring. Helping to reduce the common area costs in this time of rising inflation can help prevent the need for rent increases, thus benefiting the residents. Green Commercial Systems installed a solar energy solution as well as a new roof for the buildings. Taking advantage of tax incentives, the owners of the complex were able to add a new roof and solar, which will pay for itself in energy cost savings within approximately 5 years. GCS offers a full-service solar solution, taking care of all plans and permits, as well as adhering to strict safety standards. Businesses and homeowners alike are going solar to save money while doing their part to help save the environment. Green Commercial Systems and Green Home Systems offer the highest quality solar equipment and installation for business and residential customers. With 5-star ratings and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, customers nationwide are spreading the word.